empty. Wow. It's really nice. I got a 32mm complete with white wheels. And I'm gonna open this now. I've never had a four-corner complete, so box is empty. Wheels, trucks, hold up, wheel just fell out. The shape of the four-corner wheels is kind of squared, but it's alright. They're really nice. These are the trucks. They have a nice shape to them. And finally, the deck. It looks like there's two things of tape in here. There is. Wow, this is really wide. I love the shape of it. Can't really tell which one's the nose and the tail. Has a nice bottom ply. Nice bottom ply. Nice lacquer. As you can see, that lacquer. No holes though. But it has nice countersink holes. Wow. Uncut piece of grip tape, or whatever kind of four-corner tape, and uncut. Cut and uncut. Yeah, go check out Aphlikshun fingerboards, four-corner fingerboards, and nocomplie. They have top-of-the-line equipment. So, whoa, four-corner and foamy greatness kind of feels exactly alike. But anyways, go check them out. You guys should know the websites and stuff. So, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.